All right, folks, it's Wednesday morning. We're about to kick off the trade here. So a couple things you need to know before we get this day started. One, all eyes are focused on oil still. Past couple days, we've seen a massive move to the downside. We rolled away from that May contract into the June contract yesterday. And again, we saw that June contract take a massive hit. So right now in WTI, we're sitting at about $11 and change. And when you look at WTI and Brent crude, we're looking at levels right now that we haven't seen since the 90s. So a lot of fear out there with demand, a lot or lack thereof, and a lot of fear out there with regards to storage. Give you a little bit of an idea. Off the West Coast right now, we have 30 or so tankers that are sitting with 20 plus million barrels of oil with nowhere to go. So it gives you a little bit of color around the lack of demand right now that we're seeing in this oil market, which is, again, putting pressure on it. So likely to see continued volatility there, which could certainly play and roll over into the equity markets. As of right now, when you look at the equity markets in the overnight session, we're actually seeing some strength. So we do have a risk-on trade happening right now. Looks like it could be a positive open. We're up across the board in U.S. markets. In the currencies, we're seeing some strength in the foreign currencies, most notably the Aussie dollar right now. And we're also seeing some strength in the gold market right now. After a couple of days of losses in gold, we're back up approaching that $1,700 level. So again, expected to be a volatile day. A lot of focus going to be on the oil market. Also, we have that Eurozone meeting that's taking place tomorrow with some color coming out of Europe as far as what they want to do with regards to helping out businesses, so on and so forth, much in the same way that we did with the stimulus package for European companies and the folks in Europe. So keep an eye on that, as that could impact the currency market, notably the euro and potentially that British pound as well. So a lot going on. I'll check in with you guys again tomorrow, and we'll keep you updated throughout today in social media. Have a great day, folks. Bye-bye.